वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। दिस इज निशा। सो आज की वीडियो में हम ये मिनिमल एंड ड्यूई मेकअप लुक क्रिएट करने वाले हैं विच इज़ वेरी मिनिमल। एंड आज की वीडियो में जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करी वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा मिनिमल एंड अफोर्डेबल है, तो आप उसे चेक कर सकते हो। एंड या without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. For this makeup look, your skin should be very dewy and juicy. So first I am going with eye cream, and today I am using vadiherbals eye cream. And then I am going with a moisturizer, and today I am using the Nivea Soft Moisturizer. This moisturizer is so good, it makes your skin juicy and very dewy. For the foundation, I am using the classic one, Maybelline Fit Me foundation. You have to take a very small amount of foundation. You can build it up. पर अगर आपने पहले से ही ज़्यादा लगा दिया तो आप इसको निकाल नहीं सकते. तो that's it. You need this much. I am mixing my foundation with some moisturizer. It gives you a very natural and dewy finish. Mix it well. Now I quickly blend this into my skin, and you have to just wet this beauty blender and then blend it. This foundation is not a full coverage foundation. This is very your skin like foundation. It gives you like really natural finish, soft matte finish I would say. And you have to blend it really well. See, it's really glowing and dewy. Since we are doing a very dewy and glowy makeup look, it's really important to prep your skin before makeup. You have to blend it really well. Look at the finish, it's really dewy and glowy, and it gives you a really natural finish, like a soft matte finish, and this is perfect for summers. If you are looking for a good foundation, affordable one, so you should try this one because it's really good. Now for the concealer, I am using the Swiss Beauty concealer. Honestly, जब मैंने इसको देखा ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा चीप था. I think it's retail for 200 rupees, और मुझे लगा कि इतना अच्छा नहीं होगा क्योंकि it's very cheap. But जब मैंने इसको try किया, it's very good and it's very full coverage. I dipped in once and it covers the whole face. I'm going with my fingers. Can you see the difference it makes to your skin? Now we have to set it, and for that I am using a Maybelline compact powder. If you are going for a dewy and very soft look, then you have to set just under your eyes and under your T-zone where you get oily. You don't have to apply powder all over your face because it just make you feel cakey and heavy. So you have to just apply powder under your eyes to set your concealer. For the bronzer, I am using the NYB stick. It's a contour stick, but its shade is very like a bronzy shade. So I am using it as a bronzer. Now take it like this. For this dewy and glowy makeup look, you need all the like dewy and glowy products. So I'm going with a cream blush, but I don't have a cream blush, so I'm using my lipstick only. The lipstick I'm using is NYB lipstick. I know I use this a lot. I love this shade. I just like cream blushes. I don't like powder blushes. If you want a sun-kissed look, then apply it on your nose as well. I like to use it as my eyeshadow as well. I am curling my lashes with this eye color. Press it 4 to 5 times. See the difference. Now I am going with a mascara, and for the mascara I am using the Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. Can you see the difference it has made to my eyes? It's amazing. This technique is amazing, guys. Lastly, it's time for the highlighter, and for the highlighter I am using Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, which is very good. It gives you a very subtle glow, blends like magic. It's so blendable. The formula is good. Like, see this. Can you see that? Wow, I love it. On my nose. If you want your makeup to stay for hours, then you need a setting spray. I am spraying on my beauty blender and then just blending all together. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!